That's my lack of skill. Now I just want some movement. Hello, good evening. It is 5:08. Yes. And yeah, so basically, I had a good night's sleep. I woke up at around 9, and right after waking up, I just was in a mood to just go for a walk. So I basically just went for a walk. It wasn't like an early morning walk where I would enjoy the weather or whatever, but like I really wanted to walk just to clear my head. So I was just listening to songs and just walking. I did that for a good hour and I came back and I got ready and I left because I had some things to take care of. I wanted to get a couple of things done. So I was out, and while I was coming back, I stopped to have idli sambar, idli dipped in sambar, because it's filling. If I'm not eating chia pudding, I think I would, whenever I'm out, I really prefer eating South Indian. I love dosa, I love idli, I love vada, love it. So yeah, I had that. I had two idlis, I had a dosa as well, and yeah, after that I was just so full that I didn't feel like eating. So I came back home, I rested for a while, and I was kind of just cleaning my home, and I was kind of working on my closet. It is still not yet done, but I would say a lot of it is covered. And I feel like that's all for this weekend. I think I don't want to do any more. It has been a long time. I was just Netflixing and just, sitting and just folding clothes. That's all that I have done for the last 2 hours. And I feel like now I just want some movement. Like I've just been sitting and it's just not a good sign. I wanna just move. And I thought I wanted to drink basically something, but I also made something to eat. So I have an avocado toast. It is a plain avocado sourdough toast. I have only added salt, black pepper, and some lemon. Nothing else. Yeah, and I'm also taking protein lassi. So this is the same that I had its buttermilk a few days ago, Country Delights. I also got mango lassi. Yeah, so I want to try this. Buttermilk was okay. I did like it, but it kind of sort of left some taste in my mouth afterwards. So I am not sure. I mean, a lot of it was kind of like deposited at the bottom. So I am trying to shake it well. Let's see. Let's try. It has 10 grams of protein. I do like to try. Whenever I see protein, I'm like, okay, let's try. If I like the taste, then it would be interesting. Smells really good. It's okay. Oh, I like the taste. I think I would drink this again. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of it and have an avocado toast. And today I have a 15-minute power yoga abs in the program. So I will get to that in some time.
Breathe it in, the sky reborn, golden threads and shadows torn, over hills the silence sings, rise till chasing echoes, chasing stars. We remember who we are. Hold on, every hour's apart on the edge.
Does it happen to you as well that you don't, on the regular, you don't realize that your body needs stretching, but when you do stretch, it's like your body thanks you. It feels grateful in a way that you really cannot express in words. I mean, on the regular, I don't really feel like whatever stretching, whatever warm up and cool down I do, I feel like that's just enough whenever I'm working out with weights. But yeah, I mean, I have to appreciate my rest days. I have to appreciate my yoga days because it makes me feel really good. I mean, my body's like feeling so calm and relaxed and good. Yeah, weather is a little kind today. So I was just sitting in my balcony enjoying my toast and mango lassi. So that was good. It's been a while since it rained. So really enjoying that. I think I'm going to sit in my balcony for a little more and I might go out for a walk. Yeah, I will see you later. It is a few hours later. It is 8:25 and I'm about to have my dinner. So basically I was missing home today. I was sitting in my balcony enjoying rain and just it's like I just got a little bit nostalgic and I wanted to have something that just is home for me. So I have made bhindi ki sabzi today, bhindi ki sabzi with roti, and I have also taken a little bit of mango achar. Well, this has turned out to be really soft and I have made roti from the atta that I wanted to try, which is this. It's the milled high protein flour and the roti has turned out to be really soft. So I'm really excited to try that. I have also made Greek yogurt raita. It's cucumber raita. I love it. And I'm also taking this lassi because I really liked it in the afternoon, in the evening, whenever I had it today. It was really nice. I liked it. I shook it well. I think the mistake that I made with buttermilk was not to shake it as vigorously as I did in the evening. Yeah, so it turned out to be good. So I wanna try this. Not try this. I really liked it, so I wanna have it again. So yeah. And now I have made a lot of bhindi. Usually I don't make a lot of any sabzi when I'm eating roti, but bhindi I can eat as is. I love bhindi and I don't really make it, as often as I would like it. I usually go for easier meals. This sort of kind, I'm already sweating. Like being in kitchen for like half an hour is kind of a task, but I really wanted to have something that reminds me of my home and that's comforting and I just wanted to have it. So how about we taste how the roti tastes? Now that my liner is off, let's taste it. Okay, it is quite soft. Hmm. It's not as soft as a fulka, but it's not because of the flour. I think that's my lack of skill. I'm not that good at making roti, but I can't really tell. I really need to make wheat roti separately and just then try and taste what is the difference. I can't really tell. It's a nice way to just add some protein because this also has wheat. I think it has whole wheat. There's wheat protein, soya fraction, peanut fraction. So this has wheat, and honestly, I can't really tell that there's something else mixed in it. I really can't tell the difference. Some Greek yogurt raita. So I'm going to have my dinner, and that will be all for today. I will see you tomorrow.